Ebusuya Asamaba or say don't compare His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia. Yam konti ensema empanyi we ida to twane brade wi a ebedi ho enkom.
Sa menua din sema oka no ha. NMPP agu NMPP aye Bawumia ebede even John Mahama you brought him 3 times and he won elections for you in this country. Even John Mahama. Hey, yako school yakosia. Woni obi ti class no ni ngoma sene wa unim. You know, say, you can't compare Bawumia and John Mahama any day. Abano want to abano. Na ye can in dear honesty. And a fama ye dibu maya. You can't compare. John Mahama is away. And Timmy Macasa Bawumia a bede. Or no, I wouldn't call ya the sitting president in the history of this country. Or Lusu about almost 1 million votes. A binsi that all can history. John Mahama the first sitting president. I will lose a baby binsi or my muda. Ono kwa no bo modern sand no ba biem ene abana wa wen no onye na dwen so bebu man o de na woni ho nyina na se ne power no kura no ene wa ya jeffrey ni sem nti o koje na o de mode ama mo back ebe ko you enko you onfa ho. And even John Mahama you brought him back, you are talking about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. You can't compare to elections near Koye and Ghana for free say MPP for Niama be some of our policies remember can be solo net here make say even sir bond the year no it affected the middle class. And Obi and him say Nipo mo eto abama MPP pa no the middle class.
Me da say.
Akoshe yemi o.
Aka 1 minute.
One say left and right you know mo to but ya na one me dey na don.
Yama okaba biom from Braga na Nsem TV eso edinya me so any promise the blogger. Video akoko share ye one of the MPP communicators na akoko share or angel. No they two just say sa nkofo no mo na mo say MPP agu no. They should keep quiet and shut up. Because if we have to compare, we should compare His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia, His Excellency, the former Vice President. You compare them as Vice President, but you can't compare John Dramani Mahama to Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia. And what he's saying no, is true. It is true. You can't compare these two people because Dr. Bawumia stands tall. Oshobi a year Ghana Vice President in Kokodru. You can't compare John Dramani Mahama, who was investigated by his own president. By his own president. The president, the late John Ibatufia Tamil, set up a committee to investigate the Vice President, John Dramani Mahama. And you want to compare this man, such a character, a vice president who was investigated because of corruption under his own government. You want to compare that person to Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia? Like, are you serious? You see, when I watch kind of videos like that and I see people comparing, I will be like, like, you know John Dramani Mahama? It's not the same John Dramani Mahama, they said that, the Jida, then confirm. Is it not the same John Dramani Mahama that gave Sadnam Tamaklo man is often come back and Cantamanto form when Yama she Akola force a Cantamanto, ye Cantamanto. 2013 no. I would dear in the Yadil in the 10 years, sir. Would you not shall be tuned to me back? No. That John Dramani Mahama, you believe in that man. Then you're actually sick in the head. If you do, someone who said he is indecisive, he can't decide for himself. He can't decide for himself because or you're indecisive. How do you then trust that kind of person and hand over a whole country so no be so? And I'm looking at also a left ban the ban on buying state lands. They are come to steal KK, waste our time, and it's very funny. I'm telling you, he's not serious, and I pity the people who believed in him from the onset. But don't compare His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia when it comes to terms of governments. Comparing vice presidents. Don't make that mistake. Don't ever try. Hi Ghana Nsem TV. Uguso Eshe Ghana Nsem TV.
Sini nyina ba na wiye. But as a dakasi ni nyina no, me de ma Ghana Police Service. Oma bodwuma pa. Fiti day 1 a Ghana Police Service ebedu akweti amamu. Oma boban bibia ya frenchim wo bia nsisi obia omato aban kama di owi ni no wa wi ni ya yelusu yanso yelusu yaji yelusu atum Ghana police we dia me boma baso ma boban ma obia me ye basa obia ntimi afa bibia nwram ma ya de this time dear my dear and as kese enkomamo from IGP to the last person of police ma boban wa kwetia ba ma bibia ya kama asumdwei bibia say
match today NDC full one vice chairman Sofo Azuka on radio na TV do okasetiam also boku well na sama za yenyim do onye na Azuka boys za wonyiman there wo bronkrofo na okunkum nkrofo nti onye the first time or threaten but me yo hunfo nti me peda me catch MPP mpanyimfo a wo won kran extra time na wa ball 2 as in say full soldiers were ground nti ma for Azuka nen nsam kekan oma obi enye ehu no on tranka on shedem there osro politics one fa isro yen was akukudu yem penyimfa was a party nbobo aze oye JB danko na ne chimba fo wakade jail wo wi we fiase was akukudu na was ye nti ma ya ma obi ma ehu bi emba emimu wenyi dado za menhu akotia ye youth edwumazem etuwacha wo ye no mu wenyi dado mu wo jezi there 2028 ekro ye bayenintem na ye tu ye hu siwa nkunyimzi baba nti no merun jaha no mon konkan wa bra full soldiers wo han ma wo ye dwuma na me panyin no maka de so far Azuka also boku menti mirguan obokuma onkum na se nyimpa zi wa na yin na ambia nti no so onu wa honze na wozu kunyimpa so be it ye shasi many general secretary no pay yakọ round so peacefully yakọ ayen agent na yin won kasa police for ye won adwuma so far police for wa bo home but inya ye mbo ho about to say sia what wa bani wie na wo ye collection wie na bibia ya asomdwe a na asem de do bi o ha maka ache IGP but so far deployment why as on IGP no so ha nti ye hwede wo ba ma banko no ewie peye but so far it appears NDC funyim da wo bolus nti what in Hubina, na what is Shankofu woman, we go go, wenchi, na what boys P will go on this one there. What better than what? No, what in who, what is Shankofu woman? I hear the young folk. I'm not assigning by accident.
Sam George, okay. Government to begin registration of SIM card from 1st of July 2025. When I say and then 3rd September 2025. Sam George, mawanimbre, enyam kwala. Ena, mamika asem chira sa concept na wo ni so ne jai. Ye September and I refi